Okay, now you can see the flowchart for restoring division on left hand side of the screen. I hope you have understood the operations that are performed between each iteration. Now let's take one example to understand it better. Let's take an example 111 divided by 10, that is 7 divided by 2. Here I is equal to 111 and D is equal to, the register D is initialized to 0010. Let's also compute minus D, which is 1110. Now let's see the register structure here. We have A and we have I. A is initialized to 4 zeros and I is 1, 1 and 1. Now this is initialization step. After initialization, we go to the first iteration. First of all, we left shift the entire bit sequence. We leave this unassigned. When we subtract D from A, so that is we perform A minus D, which is basically adding 2's complement to it. So the result we get is 1, 1, 1, 1. Now here the sign of A is 1. So this will help us deciding this bit. So also the sign of A is 1. So we have to restore the original result again. So we have to restore it 0001 and we have also determined the value of I0 as 0. So this is the result of first iteration. Second iteration, we left shift again 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. We again perform addition and this time we get result as 0, 0, 0, 1. Now here the sign is 0 here. So now you can initialize. You're not going to restore. This is going to be 1. That completes second iteration. In third iteration, again left shift operation, something else. Again by adding this, we get 0, 0, 0, 1 once again. Again the sign of A 0. Then we can have this Q0 assigned to 1 and we are not going to restore it. So the final answer is going to be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So after 3 iterations, what we get here is 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 1. And here this part is nothing but remainder. The part in accumulator is going to be remainder. The part that remains in I register, this part here is the quotient Q. So I hope you understood the execution of restoring division. I recommend that you try some more examples. Let's quickly go through the operations performed again. We perform here left shift. Okay. Then we performed A equals A minus D. Then here we set I0 equal to 0 and we perform restored operation. Here again we perform left shift. Again the subtraction. Here we set I0 equal to 1, no restoring. In the third step, we perform after left shift and subtraction. We found out the sign of A was 0. So again we set I0 equal to 1, no restoring. And finally the remainder is in A register and the quotient is in I register. So that's how the restoring division operates. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.